Good morning. We're going to head over to a special place this morning, JoeAnna's house here in Kelowna. We wanted to remind everyone that every time you put a plate frame on your vehicle, we donate a percentage of our profits to an organization here locally, and JoeAnna's house is one of them. It's a great organization, and we're excited to show you around the house with Darlene.
Hi.
Good morning, Darlene.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing well.
Welcome to JoeAnna's house.
Thank you.
Right now, what we need you to do is remove your outdoor shoes. We have some lovely knitted slippers here. We've got ladies in churches all over Kelowna knitting slippers for us. So Chris, I'd love to take you on a tour of our beautiful home. We have an amazing house here with 20 guest rooms, 3 accessible rooms downstairs, and then upstairs 17 guest rooms. Our dining room can actually seat 52 people. We have everything you could possibly imagine in this kitchen. We have a couple of little fridges here, and these are actually specifically for breast milk. We have a lot of new moms here that are pumping during the night.
So Darlene, if you were to summarize it, what is JoeAnna's house?
So JoeAnna's house is a home that was built by the Kelowna General Hospital Foundation with the hands of many people within the community. And it is a place where people can come and stay when they have a loved one staying in the hospital. It's not just kids or children, it's anybody. They come from all over the province.
Just wanted to talk a little bit more about also the history behind the house.
This house was inspired by the Heber family, Joe and Anna Heber, which is JoeAnna's house. The Hebers own the Prestige hotels, and Anna was always very much a part of every community they ever went to. Her son Joe has told me that they would literally park a fifth wheel on the property where they were building a new hotel, and she would feed the crew. She saw the need, as our hospital was growing, for people to have a place to stay. Because the Prestige is so close to the hospital, they would get calls all the time. We just showed up here. My husband was just airlifted in. There's nowhere in Kelowna. Do you have a room for us? And she asked her son, she said, Joe, you got to do something about this. So before she passed, he promised her. He said, Mom, I don't know what it's going to be, but I'll do something.
That's awesome.
Well, the Heber family has been so incredibly supportive. They made the largest donation initially, and they continue to support us for at least the next 10 years. We couldn't have done it without them. Their daughter, Hilda, was our interior designer. So every single thing you see in this house, Hilda chose it. When you say you want to donate to JoeAnna's house, 100% of your proceeds then come back into our home. And it is to operate the house. We have one person on basically every 8 hours, and then we use volunteers. We're very frugal, but it still costs us about $500,000 a year to operate this house. I don't know that people fully understand that when they are supporting us, they are helping people at probably the darkest time in their life.
So just wanted to say thanks for your time today, Darlene, and all of the stories and the inspiration that's come out of this. I'm reminding everyone that JoeAnna's house is still here. There's still a need.
Yes.
And also just to come and give you our own small bit of support, which is right here. So just check.
Oh my gosh,
so,
that is fantastic.
I just wanted to leave that with you today.
Wow.
And thank you again for your time. It's been really great this morning.
Oh my goodness, Chris, thank you so much. You guys, that is so
We'll
incredibly generous.
Give you
Give me one of those, I know.